This is a Rewahoo of CAT radio receiver. It is model RX801. The manufacturer was CAT Import-Export from San Prospero, from Bomporto, Medina. There are few information in internet about it. Anyway, I found this. Part of the Italian D-Mail group, they had a network of over 2,000 sales outlets in 2003, importer of OEM electronics products. I bought this device in August 2003, I paid €15. For CAT 801RX I have not user manual. The color is gray and black near the tuner. There is a blue fabric in the speaker. Sound is in mono system. Tuner is analogic, with radio indicator and choosing the radio station across a knob. The broadcasting is in long VA, medium VA, and FM mode. As reception it has a telescopic antenna. At side there is a volume knob. Close also you can find the audio jack, in order to connect a headphone. Behind there is the battery's compartments. During making this video is the cover was broke. The receiver requires 4 ITs. It is type with 1,5 volt. It was very old and stayed in boat of my dad. It has the saltiness of the sea. Also there is a long wire with 230 volt to connect to home electrical system. Now let's turn the radio. And I made a test in AM, LW and FM listening.
Attività che ha visto che non è una mia qualità, noi veniamo formati alla questione.
Utilizzare questa forza in noi.
Beh, si fa anche l'amore, voglio dire,
Sì, ma si
non è un
dimostra,
problema.
no?
Si dimostra,
Con
per esempio, come si
l'attenzione.
dimostra?
Mesi e mezzo di custodia cautelare per, cito, concorso morale.
After almost 20 years, CAT RX801 has a good performance and sound. You can use with batteries or power electric without any problems. Test has passed.